Super, just hang right in there. Very nice. I feel like you're just standing on her front feet and let her canter. And then step by step, stand upright. Beautiful transition. Now, out with your left hand there a little bit so she doesn't come up. That's right. And then build the trot again. Really nice. Super. Both those departs were really nice. Out with your right hand, that's right, good. You got her that time. That was really good. You were able to keep her round through your direction change. Just stay in your feet. Good. Kind of turn in again there. Start over. That's nice. She needed that yielding. Turn in again. Same thing. Take your right hand a little bit out so you keep that. Yeah, between your reins like that. Yep. And be ready with that when you put the canter depart. Very good. That's okay. We'll go back to that in a minute. Just try that once more. Keep that right rein out. Keep a little feel of that right front foot.